tell me about your oregano?
Well, yeah, the oregano, I have them growing over there. Nicer spots. People could take some and grow on their own. And some friend of mine giving me some friend, and then they got bigger and bigger. So when it's summertime come, it goes in the seed. You pick the seed. You when it's raining like maybe this way, you don't have to wash them. You just bunch them a little better together. Little bunch, hang them where it's dark down the stairs, down the cellar, down the steps, any place. But it gotta be like a darker place. Hang them in a darker place for a few months. In the winter time, you clean, shake them with your hands, roll them with your hands, and make it smooth it out. And you make oregano out of them. You keep on doing that with your hands. You get a spaghetti drain. After they're done with them or not, get a spaghetti drain, put them in there. I do like this with the hands. It gets small and small. And then you put them in the jar and save them.
What do you use oregano for?
Oh, you use them for sauce. I use them for mostly for bruschetta. You know what a bruschetta is. It's a little round bread with a hole in the middle. And you could buy them. It's called a bruschetta in a festival. They fix them with a little tomatoes on the top, squeeze the tomatoes, put oil, you know. Put oregano, lots of oregano, garlic. What are yours? Oil, you know, I told you, a sprig of vinegar. And they're so good, those. I eat a lot of those.
When you plant the oregano, how long does it take for it to grow?
I don't plant, they grow the same year.
Okay.
If you take a little bunch out of there on the side, you take a little bunch with the roots, and you put them in a different.
And you can plant them somewhere else.
December.
How long have you had those oregano plants?
I have those oregano for years and years. 40 years maybe. Yeah, that's all.
Do you like oregano?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it fun to plant and make?
It's good. It's why are they looking?
Just looking.
They want to know how to make oregano.
Yep.
Now, expect.
What are we making?
Oregano.
Oregano.
We take these out.
Does it smell good?
Yeah. I have to put them in the schola bus. This is not done yet. I'll put them in the schola bus and wash it. I do like this. Make them small. They gotta be small like that. See? Huh?
When are they fully grown?
When did you pull them? Just what time?
When you pick it from the garden. In the summertime, when they get it, they come up like this in the seed.
Okay, and then
They come up, all this, and you pick it up before they bloom all out. You bunch them, make a little bunch. They put them in a darker place.
Why does it have to be a dark place?
Otherwise, they get brown, too brown. Yeah. Keep it over there. There's no,
Wow, look at that. That's so cool.
What are you doing?
Doing the oregano. Making oregano.
My daddy used to buy them, the little bunches, like we had before last week, and he dries them, like I did, and then after he dries them, he picks them up and get a bowl and he do like this with his hands. You could do that, but it's hard. And he make very fine, and then you put them in a jar.
What else do they do? They sell it?
To use them.
Mm.
For us, they go to mountain people. They pick the oregano and they make a bunch and they brought them in town and they sell them. And my dad buys some.
Okay.
And then he dries them and then he do that with his hands. He grind them with his hands.